My country people, this popular Nigerian music producer, a songwriter and a singer, Michael Collins Ajere, popularly known as Don Jazzy, the CEO of popular record label called Marvin Record, that was founded in the year 2012, is currently trending, but this time around for a wrong reason, as a video clip of him and Ayra Star mom dancing happily surfaced online. A lot of reactions from different people. Let's not forget that Ayra Star, popular Nigeria superstar, that is signed under the Marvin Record, where Don Jazzy is the CEO of the record label. Now this particular video where Don Jazzy do with Ayra Star mom, they trend online. I don't know why it's trending the way it's trending, but another video clip of them dancing happily surfaced again online. This time around, the dragging was too much. Let's take a look at the video clip. My people, here are some of the reactions from different people as this one talk. As Rihanna no gree making go for this one where they close, or more the mentality of people. Another person talk say, but this Ayra Star mom fine pass Ayra Star. Why? More waiting this one they talk. Ayra Star na very beautiful girl. Another person talk say, just know she's spreading it. Spreading what? I don't understand what this one is saying. More. This one talk say I don't want talk waiting in my mind. Hey God, what is wrong with people? Like, I don't understand why this particular video of Don Jazzy and Ayra Star mom dancing, like, why is it trending this way? Waiting in people's mind, why are they thinking negatively? So because you know Don Jazzy, he's popular, he should not dance and live his social life anymore. So dancing with Ayra Star mom is now another thing to drag him with. I don't understand. You people should grow up already on this internet space. This is actually another reason to tell you to do yourself. Because had it been Don Jazzy did not relate well with this Ayra Star mom, it will start trending again. This one is feeling too big. Look at a whole Ayra Star mom that he doesn't want to relate with. Now that the man is relating with the woman, una start to dey think with una left brain again. Keifa game we mete Nigerians. Why are you guys thinking negatively always? Why? This one don't tire me. As I see the video, I say no, I need to bring it to my headquarters. My people need to see this. Miami born nation, wetin una think? Drop your opinion for comment section. Left for me as an army boy head girl where I be. This video is the best video that you see online this week. This is the best video. I'm telling you guys, this is the best video you will ever see online. As I watch the video, now my body just dey totori me. I say, I just dey relate to, you know. As I go comment section, my heart just boom and went down. I said, Jesus Christ. So people can, I didn't even think of anything. Why are people thinking something negatively? What things they happen for this life, oh. Okay guys, see you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to like, follow this channel for more Ogbonge news with the tutorial body. Una see they do one for here. For my page, no dumb moment at all. If this is your first time coming across my page, you're welcome. My name is Gist TV. Do well to like, comment, share my videos. If they give me one kind of encouragement to continue, do well to scroll up. You see other interesting videos that will hook you up to watch. It's still your one and only amiable girl Cindy. Stay safe out there. Bye now. Bye.